You hate your job. Maybe you was just laid off because of the global pandemic crisis. Or you just want to make extra income and be your own boss. Okay, stay tuned to learn more.
In this video I'm going to share with you 3 jobs you wish someone had told you about. Understanding how things in the world work is an everyday process, and if you like learning, then congratulations for being here. Millions of people don't know what I am going to be revealing to you, so please share what you learn. I am sure by now you are aware of the global pandemic crisis. At the time of this video shoot, the financial crisis is taking its toll on low-income families because a state of emergency quarantine. Thankful for me, I found out about one of the 3 jobs that I'm going to tell you about, and it changed everything for me. Stay to the end of this video if you want to get started. Number 1. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a supply chain management method in which the retailer does not keep goods in stock, but instead transfers its customers' orders and shipment details to either the manufacturer, another retailer, or a wholesaler, who then ships the goods directly to the customer. Number 2. Freelancer, a person who is self-employed and get hired to do particular jobs such as programming and software developing, website designing and development, content writing, copywriting and graphic designing. There are thousands of websites, apps and businesses are being created every day providing variety of services to customers. The outsourcing freelancer industry is estimated to worth $150 billion globally.
Here is my number 1 recommendation, and if you follow my steps and click the link in the description you can get started today or tomorrow, but remember, starting today will give you a better advantage over everyone else.
Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of owning a commission by selling or promoting another's company products. What benefits can you get from affiliate marketing? 1. It's a lucrative and far-reaching industry. Have I mentioned affiliate marketing as a whole is a billion-dollar industry? In such a wide field, it's pretty easy to look for products that you can actually use, believe in, and in all honesty, promote to your audience. That kind of involved affiliate marketing, where you actually have faith in what you promote, has been tested and proven to produce the best results, especially commission-wise. 2. It's a low-cost business opportunity. Have you always wanted to go into business, but just never seemed to be able to save up the right amount of money to start one? Affiliate marketing is the answer to your wishes. There are practically no barriers to joining. Compared to other business ventures, you don't need to have a huge capital on hand. All you need to have is electricity and internet connectivity. Tech savviness is not 100% required, though. Some people have become successful in affiliate marketing through social media. A combination of both is what I suggest. The more avenues you explore, the more chances of winning. 3. No expertise required. You don't need to be an affiliate marketing guru to succeed. Not right away. This is a field where practice makes perfect. You are free to choose what campaigns to test and what learning method you want to use to become better at your trade. Marketing is the only work-at-home job that can give you the freedom to spend quality time with your family traveling, and it gives you the advantage of being able to buy everything that you couldn't afford with a corporate job. Just picture a few working hours, no stocks investment, no technical skills, and high converting profits. Yes, that is exactly what I thought when I was first getting started. How can that be practical? I asked myself. But first, let me tell you my story. I was never a confident kid growing up. I never liked to be around large groups of people, and I am shy on camera. Ha ha ha. You can tell this is not my voice. So the idea of me working for a company and around lots of employees was terrifying. However, I got my first job and I would invest all my salary in forex trading and apps on stock market sites, but everything failed to work. At that point I was fed up. But then one good faithful day I saw an ad run across my computer screen as I was looking for more ways to make money online, and that was when I discovered affiliate marketing. I must be honest with you, I put in a lot of work to get my first return. It was the first time I feel so proud of myself. Invest $100 and making $500 in reoccurring commission every week. But it didn't stop there. Other sales will make me over $1,000 in a week. I know financial freedom is on its way for me, and all my fears of never making it goes away. Now I can wake up, breathe a fresh breath of confidence, not having to worry about tomorrow bills or pumping gas in my car. Just like me, second thoughts will be running in your head driven by fear. David Frost once said action is the foundational key to all success. So blank out all your second thoughts and click the link in the description to get started today. Remember, other people's experience is not yours. Refusing to take action is like a new toddler refusing to walk, talk or eat. Basic necessities that is essential to our human survival. Okay, I know jumping into something new can be overwhelming. I get it. So lucky for you, I am going to direct you to this program that is going to guide you step by step, hand in setting up your affiliate marketing business. So you guys don't have to go through the worries I went through trying to figure it out. All you have to do is sign up for the program and start earning money the next day. So now that it's even more easy, you have no excuse. Click the link in the description to get started now and watch your financial freedom exceed expectation.